Hi everyone and welcome to my video. Today we'll be talking about the possibility of ChatGPT going bankrupt by the next year. We know ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot which was developed by OpenAI. It was released in the later half of last year and quickly became one of the most popular chatbots in the world. Everyone was talking about how good ChatGPT was and it hit record number of users in a very short period of time. It set a record for fastest app to reach 100 million users in just 2 months. However, there have been some concerns about the sustainability of ChatGPT. The chatbot reportedly cost 700,000 US dollars per day to operate, and it has not yet generated enough revenue to offset its cost. In addition, there has been a recent decline in the number of users of ChatGPT's website. In May 2023, the number of users declined to 1.5 billion from 1.9 billion in the previous month. This decline in users could be due to a number of factors, including the rising cost of ChatGPT, the availability of cheaper alternatives, and the concerns about the potential to be used for malicious purposes. If the trend of user decline continues, it is possible that ChatGPT could go bankrupt by the next year. This would be a major setback for the field of artificial intelligence as ChatGPT is one of the most advanced chatbots ever developed. However, it is possible that OpenAI will be able to turn the things around. The company has a lot of resources and talent, and it is possible that they would be able to find a way to make ChatGPT more profitable. OpenAI is still able to operate ChatGPT at a very high cost because they have obtained huge fundings. Till those fundings are available, things might keep running smoothly, but still they have to make it profitable, otherwise, bankruptcy is inevitable. Only the time will tell what will happen to ChatGPT, but for now, the possibility of its bankruptcy is a major concern for the future of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Will ChatGPT will be able to survive without further funding? Please let us know in the comment section. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.